Hurricane Jerry latest NOAA weather forecast. As we see on the map, this is the latest. The cone contains the probable path of the storm center, but does not show the size of the storm. Hazardous conditions can occur outside of this cone. 5 p.m. Friday, and we have it going into Saturday, Sunday, Sunday afternoon, Monday evening, Tuesday and Wednesday, heading over Bermuda again. Hurricane Jerry, Friday, September 20th, 2019, 5 p.m. AST Advisory 14. Current information: maximum sustained winds 80 miles an hour. It's moving west-northwest at 18 miles an hour. Forecast position: tropical cyclone. Sustained winds 39 to 73 miles an hour. If the storm is forecast to dissipate within 3 days, the full forecast and 3-day graphic will be identical. The graph shows the approximate representation of coastal areas under hurricane. Hurricane watch, it's not here. It's not going to be affecting, thank goodness. And we can look at the wind speeds for Hurricane Jerry. In the center of it, of course, in the Atlantic. Most of that will not hit. Perhaps it will hit Puerto Rico in the beginning of it, Haiti, Dominican Republic. The Bahamas will feel the outer edges of about 5 to 10. And it will be heading into Bermuda. So 1 minute average is 39 miles per hour. Okay, so it'll, thank goodness, not hit the United States, but it will hit Bermuda, however. And we'll have more of this as it progresses. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.